All right, guys, another week's in the books for the stock market and for SoFi stock, and I'm sure you all saw it. Today was an absolutely phenomenal day for the markets. We had all the indexes up. The VIX went down over 7%, and we had SoFi stock up over 5%. So, yeah, we have a lot to go over in this video. We're going to break down SoFi stock, the charts, what I'm looking at here, some key levels, and maybe later in the video we'll break down some other stocks. But before we do that, get your free stocks from Moomoo, the sponsor of today's video. Up to 16 stocks, each up to $2,000. Just use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 stocks right off the bat. And fund it with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 stocks. And listen to this, guys. Fund it with at least $5,000. On top of those 15 stocks, you also get a free share of either Tesla stock or Expedia stock, which makes this promo a no-brainer. So use that link down below. And of course, that is an affiliate link. Full disclosure, it helps out the channel. I appreciate you guys as always. And with that being said, cheers. Let's dive right into the video. So like I said, everything today, like I'm sure you all saw, was green. We had the NASDAQ up 1.8% at close, the Russell up 1.3%, the S&P up 1%, as the Dow went up 0.5%. Like I said earlier, we had the VIX down 7.5% as gold went up 0.6%, and we had silver up 0.3%. And look at this, guys. We did rally pretty much all day today on SoFi after yesterday we got completely destroyed. You all probably saw that. We started off the day at 975 and we got down to 894. That was a drop of around 8%. Then we rebounded into close a little bit yesterday, which then led into the pre-market today and into the open. And again, we uptrended all day, and we actually took out a key level from yesterday. We didn't break out the high from yesterday or break above that, which was 975, but we did break above this 945 level. Let me extend this to the right. You guys can see that's where SoFi failed at about 12:30 p.m. on the East Coast. Then it went from 950 to 894. That was a big drop in a very short amount of time. So today we broke out of that, and now we're actually up a little bit, about 5-6 cents in the aftermarket, as I am filming this video at about 4:30 p.m. guys on the East Coast. So the fact that we took out that 945, 950 level, that's good. And now we arguably have an ascending triangle. Do we kind of on this intraday? Let me kind of zoom in and show you all what I'm talking about. Maybe. I don't know. What do you guys think? We have an ascending triangle in my eyes kind of here on SoFi on the intraday. Yeah, that's pretty textbook in my opinion. We have higher lows being made ever since the pre-market into, of course, all day today. But at the same time, we do have resistance at about 955 to 960, which now we're slowly starting. Look at that. We just broke above it right now in real time. Now it's moving after the bell. We're up to 962 on SoFi. So let's see if that triangle plays out. Maybe we start breaking above 960, which you guys can see here on the 5-day chart. If I clear the drawing set, this is a very big spot. Do you all remember that channel we talked about yesterday, I believe, or was it the day before? Probably both days on the SoFi videos. We talked about this channel on the 10-day, 30-minute chart. If I draw it out again, you guys will be able to see it. And we talked about how yesterday, actually, oops, I didn't even have the channel tool up. Give me a second, guys. Bear with me. And mind you, we have earnings coming up Monday morning. So am I surprised that we rallied today heading into earnings, considering how hypey SoFi is? No, I'm not surprised, guys. And again, look at this channel. If I get it drawn out, you can see we completely failed to break out of this channel yesterday morning. And it looks like the day before that, or actually no, the day before that, which was on, what day was that? Monday or Tuesday? Yeah, we failed on Tuesday to break the channel. Wednesday as well, and yesterday, Thursday. And yesterday, as we failed to break the channel, we got all the way back down to $899, which was the bottom of the channel. And we bounced off of that, like I said, and we rallied all day today. Now we're right back at the top of the channel. So talk about a roller coaster ride, guys, for SoFi. Unbelievable here. So I'm thinking, listen, if we break above this channel, which anything's possible with earnings coming up on Monday, if we break above, let's say, 975, 980, which, mind you, my alert's at 980. I might as well put another one at 975. If we start breaking above these key levels, guys, then we're going to, start breaking out, at least on the charts. And, of course, we don't know exactly where it's going to go from there. But if we start reversing above the channel, the highs from the last couple of days, $10 plus, like I've been saying on these videos, guys, could be right around the corner. Keyword is good. So please make sure you guys trade at your own risk. Trading is very risky. You should all know that. The stock market in general, heck, life in general, everything, there is some risk in anything you do, guys, especially if you're messing with a stock like SoFi. So keep that in mind. And yeah, with today's move, guys, we did break above the moving averages as well on the 30-minute chart, which is great. And let me pull the 20 up. Yeah, 20-day chart, we're above the moving averages. That's also good. And on the 4-hour chart, let me see here. Of course, guys, now we're bouncing off the 180 SMA on this time frame, and we're above that clearly. And now we're starting to push. Yeah, with today's close, we did push above, and we closed above the 50 SMA, which is a very big spot. For the bulls here. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. SoFi's looking pretty good. It's looking like it's getting ready for a breakout potentially after earnings come out on, Monday. We don't know exactly what's going to happen again, guys, but that's kind of what I'm looking at right now on SoFi stock. So what do you think? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. And by the way, the video's not over. We're going to talk about some other stocks, but don't forget to subscribe because we're almost at 30,000 subs. And guess what? Subscribing is completely free. It's free of charge if you guys didn't know, and 65% of you are actually not subscribed. So make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell. I appreciate you all as always. And now let's talk about some other names that moved today. And let me tell you guys, a lot of stocks did very well today. A lot of Chinese stocks did well, which we covered in my last video. Go check that out. We talked about Alibaba and NIO, and they're running because China's looking to put more stimulus out there, right? More stimulus, which of course backs the economy. It helps out the stock market. So a lot of stocks did end up running. The Chinese names did today. And we had stocks like Pinterest run. Let me pull this up. And when is this company reporting earnings? I think next week. Yeah, Pinterest is starting to break out heading into earnings, I believe, on Monday or Tuesday. Let me double check, though. On the 1st of August, which is what? Is that Tuesday? Yeah, that's Tuesday after the bell. So this is one that I'm looking at for sure. It gets very hot during earnings sometimes. Keyword is sometimes. Last time they actually collapsed from 27 all the way down to 20, which ended up opening up a nice trading opportunity now with the benefit of hindsight, of course. But with today's move, 6% in the green, we're now bouncing off the 180 SMA. Now we're pushing the 50, and we could be on the verge of breaking out heading into earnings. Maybe. We'll see. So I'm keeping my eyes on Pinterest. Also looking at, let's see, of course, the big tech names, which we're not going to get into in this video, but I'm watching names like AMD. This is also, last I checked, on the verge of maybe breaking out if we do successfully take out 116, 120, 125, which now we're at 113, so we're still a little bit under that. But if we do end up breaking these moving averages into earnings, maybe after earnings, there could be some upside here on AMD. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I don't want to keep this video or make this video too long, so with that being said, I'm going to wrap it up. If you enjoyed it, smash the like button, get your free stocks from Moomoo. You might as well simply use that link down below, open up your account and fund it with at least $100. You get 5 stocks right off the bat, and if you fund it with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 stocks. And listen to this, guys, if you fund your account at least $5,000 on top of those 15 stocks, you also get a free share of either Tesla stock or Expedia stock, which makes this promo a no-brainer. So use that link down below, and of course, full disclosure, that is an affiliate link. It helps out the channel. I appreciate you guys as always. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you in the next one.